Now, this illustration deals with receptacle outlets installed indoors in areas that are considered wet locations by the authority having jurisdiction. Now, notice we've already covered where you had a little walk-in area space that was, had vegetation, flowers, shrubbery, some trees and so forth maybe. And notice those outdoor receptacles had to be GFCI protected as shown to the left of the illustration in accordance with 210.8B as in boy. But now notice the note coming out the gate, should we so to speak, gives the designer, installer, maintainer, and inspector some additional rules for wet locations. Notice GFCI receptacles should be installed indoors where there are wet locations as outlined in 210.8B6 and the definition of a wet location in accordance with Article 100. So what this is saying, all inside dwelling units in areas that are considered wet locations as highlighted in 210.8B6, those receptacles must be GFCI protected, and that's what this figure 10-45 is illustrating.